Ever wake up to see those creepy crawlies with a gazillion legs making your home their stomping ground? Centipedes, right? They give most of us the heebie-jeebies. So, what if you could send them packing for good? Let's jump right into how to get rid of centipedes. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Centipedes are kind of like that roommate who never cleans up after himself. They thrive in messy, damp areas. They're nocturnal, so if you're seeing them in broad daylight, chances are you've got an infestation. A study by Virginia Tech in 2020 really highlights the fact that reducing clutter and moisture can decrease their numbers. Good news is, there are a bunch of ways to get these little guys to hit the road. The first thing? Cut off their food source. Centipedes munch on other bugs. Get rid of the bugs, and the centipedes will start packing. Remember the way you clean your kitchen to keep ants away? Same principle. Got some sticky traps lying around? Put them in dark, damp corners. You'll be surprised how many centipedes you'll catch. Just like those researchers at the University of Maryland who found that traps are pretty effective at reducing household pests back in 2019. You can also try a dehumidifier. Remember, centipedes are suckers for moisture. The drier, the less appealing. Like when you go to the desert and suddenly your skin starts flaking? It's a bit like that for them. Want to go all natural? Cinnamon. Yep, you heard that right. Sprinkle some in the corners of your house and watch them disappear. You can even create a little cinnamon water spray and spritz it around. It's like perfume, but for centipedes. Did you know centipedes hate the smell of peppermint? The University of Vermont ran a study in 2021 and found that essential oils can deter various pests. Spritz some peppermint oil around your home, and you've got yourself a natural centipede deterrent. When all else fails, call in the big guns. Pest control professionals know their stuff and can help you reclaim your home. Sure, it costs a bit, but hey, peace of mind isn't free, right? So, are you ready to send those centipedes packing? Good luck! If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Let's show these centipedes who's boss.